Atomic Defense Face Mask. This face mask offers strong protection and is designed to perform exceptionally well. Its structure is carefully made to guard against knife attacks and even 12-gauge buckshot. It can also resist bullets from 9mm pistols and .44 Magnum revolvers, making it highly durable in dangerous situations. But it's not just about strength, comfort is also a key feature. The mask includes improved elastic straps that are built to last and won't lose their stretch, even after being used thousands of times. To make it more wearable for long periods, soft padding is added to key areas like the forehead, cheeks, jaw, and temples. Breathability is also taken into account. Thanks to the Easy Breathe technology, the wearer can move around freely without feeling hot, sweaty, or short of breath. This makes it practical for extended use, even in active conditions. With both protection and comfort combined, the Atomic Defense Face Mask offers high performance, and all of that comes at a price of $351. Ballistic Vehicle Curtain. Protecting drivers and passengers from bullets can be done effectively using ballistic curtains like this one. A standard model from Tactics SOG is designed to be extremely strong, about 20 times tougher than steel. It's built to resist bullets, flying shrapnel, and even harmful chemicals. The curtain can handle multiple types of bullets, including rounds from 9mm to .45 ACP firearms. Even when fired at from a short distance, as close as 5 meters, it remains undamaged and continues to protect those inside. Installing the curtain is simple and doesn't require major changes to the vehicle. Once it's in place, it stays secure, even if the window it's attached to is completely broken. This makes it a reliable safety upgrade for any vehicle that might face gunfire threats. It adds an extra layer of protection without being bulky or difficult to use. Overall, it's a smart choice for improving vehicle safety in high-risk areas or for people who need extra security on the road. Barracuda Soft Armor. Imagine turning walls, ceilings, staircases, or even smartphones into strong protective barriers. That's exactly what Barracuda Soft Armor does. By filling spaces with special ceramic balls, this system creates bullet-resistant layers that can protect people during attacks. The idea is simple. When a bullet hits the surface, the energy from the impact spreads across the ceramic balls, which helps absorb and reduce the damage. The results are impressive. Just a 10 cm layer can stop powerful Alaska 47 bullets and even resist grenade explosions. And the more layers you add, the stronger the protection becomes. This means almost any building, homes, schools, offices, can be upgraded into a safer, more secure space. What makes it even better is the material. These ceramic balls are made from silicon dioxide and aluminum oxide, which are completely non-toxic and safe for people. With Barracuda, you don't just get high-level protection, you get a smart, safe, and effective way to defend any space in a dangerous situation. Hyperline IIA Body Armor. The Hyperline IIA is currently the world's thinnest bulletproof vest, measuring only 4.8 mm thick. You can easily wear it under a regular t-shirt without anyone noticing. Thanks to its memory seal contouring and a 12-point adjustment system, it fits so well that you might even forget you're wearing it. Despite its thin design, the Hyperline IIA offers strong protection. It can guard against slashing attacks, blunt force impact, and even gunfire from powerful handguns like the .44 Magnum. This makes it a reliable choice for both comfort and safety. The vest is available in over 10 different sizes, so users can find a proper fit with ease. Whether you're in law enforcement or just looking for discreet protection, the Hyperline IIA combines advanced technology with everyday wearability. It's priced at $1,128, reflecting the high level of engineering and security it offers. For those who need lightweight, low-profile body armor that doesn't compromise on defense, the Hyperline IIA is a top-tier option. EVA Pro Appearance. If you ever need to find a specific person in hours of security camera footage, what would you do? Sit down with some snacks and start watching endlessly? Thankfully, there's a smarter way: EVA Pro Appearance. This AI-powered software is designed to analyze video recordings and spot individuals based on selected details. For example, imagine a child goes missing at a crowded airport. The operator types in a few details like blonde hair, a blue t-shirt, and a backpack. The system then scans the footage and quickly finds the matching person. This smart feature makes EVA Pro appearance useful not just for security and law enforcement, but also for marketing research. It helps track people in large spaces, saving time and effort. Instead of manually watching hours of video, this system does the work in seconds. Its ability to recognize specific traits and match them with video footage makes it a powerful tool in many industries. EVA Pro appearance brings speed, accuracy, and convenience to video analysis like never before. NetGun X1. The NetGun X1 is a simple yet smart tool designed to stop drones quickly and safely. It works like a handheld launcher that shoots out a strong net to capture flying drones. Built mainly for police officers and security teams, it helps them deal with unwanted or suspicious drones without causing damage. The net can reach a target up to 20 meters away, giving users a good distance to work with. The device is powered by CO2 cartridges, which provide the force needed to launch the net. One of its best features is how fast it can be reloaded. Trained users can get it ready to fire again in just 10 seconds. This makes it useful in fast-moving situations where every second matters. Its lightweight and compact design means it can be worn easily on a belt and carried around without hassle. Whether it's protecting a crowd or securing a private area, the NetGun X1 offers a practical and efficient way to deal with modern drone threats.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and share.